All right, we're gonna get into it soon. We're gonna get into it soon, family. Just fixing a few things. How y'all doing this morning, man? Go crazy in the chat, like and subscribe. I gotta find out how to do them little polls in the chat, man. Sharing it everywhere. Boy, hit that like, hit that like. Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Where y'all at? We about to start the chat, baby. All right, I'm here, man. I'm here. 2 for Tuesday, double up day. Who with me? It's looking mighty spiffy in the market today. We got a lot to talk about, man. We're going to be talking about the Dogelon Mars circulating supply. We're going to be talking about a lot of that stuff. We're going to be talking about this market, what to expect in this market, what type of market, what are some of the things that I've been specifically looking at inside this market, man. You feel me? We just gonna have a good day today, man. 2 for Tuesday, double up day. Y'all already know what time it is, man. So y'all already know what time it is. I'm trying to wait till a few more people get into it. But until then, man, y'all let me know how y'all doing, man. You know what I'm saying? How y'all feeling this morning? Appreciate all the love. Appreciate everybody that show up every morning to show your boys some love. You feel me? It is what it is. It is what it is. Y'all already know I be jamming. The markets look like they want to open up, man. They open up in about an hour. They look like they want to open up. The pre-market is green. Look like it wants to open up in the green. It's kind of crazy because everything is up. Oil, gold, NASDAQ, S&P. This is one of the most craziest markets, man, that we probably will see in a long time, man. Y'all see everything that's going on in the world. It's a crazy world, and we got to start making a stand, man. We got to start making a stand and standing up for our financial statuses, man. We gotta start standing up. You stand for nothing, you fall for anything, or you fall for anything, you stand for nothing. Y'all know how it go, man. Make sure you like and subscribe in the chat. Y'all let me know if the volume good, man. I'm definitely gonna get some more moderators and stuff, man. We building the channel. Join, become a member. You already know what time it is. Market look like it wants to open up in the green. We might have a green day, as you can see. For the day, a lot of stuff in the green. Let's check out Elon here, man. Where Elon? Elon probably got a little small circle, man. You know the meme coins always the last ones to pop. We up 0.6% on the hour, 1% on the day. We down 16% on the week, family. Down 13% on the month. So what looked like a it's funny. What looked like it was going to be a week, a month and a week of potential. You feel me? Clean, knocked away clean by 2 days of red, man. So we got to look at it as an opportunity, family, to accumulate, to keep, you know what I'm saying? Finding those windows to DCA. Like I always say, my personal, and it's funny because even when you look at this chart, we're still doing higher highs, lower high. You feel me? You know, we it's volatile, you know, and things want to jump, but we are in a macro environment, family. So we're gonna talk about all that. Wait for a few more people to get up in here. Y'all go crazy in the chat. What's going on with Dogelon? So right now we're sitting at 603097, market cap around 169 million. 24 volume is up 2%. We love to see that. The circulating supply is still fluctuating, family. So we want to know what's going on with the circulating supply. I feel like the Dogelon, the official Dogelon devs, founders, or somebody, the guys that actually run this project, I feel like they're doing some type of staking and not letting people know, because we seen this go all the way down to 548.2. And when you burn a token, it goes to a cold wallet and we never see it again. You feel me? So either they're burning tokens and minting more of them, but that can't be the case, because if they were minting more tokens, I would think that this max supply and total supply number would start to change if they were bringing more tokens into the circulating supply. So after doing my research, family, because as you can see right here, this was July 29th. So July 29th, our circulating supply was 555,841, right? 56% of the circulating supply was out there, right? Right. And now it's 55%. So my thing is, we want to see this, we want to see more of the supply out there. So the fact that the circulating supply was decreasing, I think that we all looked at it the wrong way, family. I think that a lot of people, even myself, I'm speaking to myself first, I think that we was hold on, let me get that out the way so y'all can actually see it. I see that y'all can't see it on my page, but I think that we were getting excited about the circulating supply when we should have been getting excited about the max supply. If you look at Shiba numbers, the max and total supply, when they burn, this gets affected, not the circulating supply. So we want to see this thing as far up as possible, really in the 75%, 80% range. We don't want to see this decreasing, because then it's more, it means that the token is more inflationary, right? Right. So I done my research, family. I done my research, and I know it sounds crazy, but in fact, we need the circulating supply right here to actually increase. That way, this max and total supply can actually go down, and then we'll see a more better price action. Like we need this actually to go down. You feel me? That way, more tokens won't get minted in the system. So that's how I'm looking at it. You can see clearly right here that, as you see, it says 56% was in the circulating supply. So I'm not sure what they got going on, man. Again, it's funny because it's like, wow, you know, it's like we don't know what's going on. We're not behind the scenes, but obviously somebody big in the project is doing something. I'm not gonna call it. It was just doing something. I'm not going to say whether it's positive or negative. We don't know. I don't know. But they're doing something. All right. So I just found that interesting. Because as you can see right here, does staking reduce circulating supply? It says when a crypto asset is staked, it is locked up and unavailable for trade. This can reduce the circulating of the supply, which can in turn increase its price. So that's what the positive about it. So when they stake, when these whales, or these what they call them, whales, and I forgot what the other the big dogs, I call them megalodons. When these megalodons get to staking their large supply, like it's helping Elon in the short term. Like it's helping Elon in the short term, because we want to see less supply. We want to see this go down. That helps the price, yes. But this right here is really what's going to help the price, burning some of this off. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. J Reacts, what he do? Shout out to J Reacts. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get some clarity on that. Let's check out the charts, family. So you already know I got my squiggly lines going on. This is the daily chart. So right now we're at RSI sitting at a 42. We're not at the position where we're oversold, and we got a reversal. We got a reversal here as the MACD crossed the signal, heading into bearish land. Reversal to the downtrend. We want to see this get reversed. Hopefully, right now we're in this channel of what's this 60370 and then 603. So we have extremely, family, we got extreme support at the 603 level. If we do break that, then we'll go down here to about 6029, and then the next level is 6025, what we've seen at the bottom that we had huge, as you see right here, we had huge support at 602. And as soon as we hit 602, we'll be completely oversold. And I expect this thing to actually bounce back up. So if we do get more bad news in the macro environment, we will take another leg down into those lows. And we may even set a new low. Maybe 6021. I don't think we pick up another zero. I don't think we go that low. It's just too much strength in the crypto space at the floor. It's too much strength at Bitcoin 17,000 if it can hold it. So I don't see Dogelon actually picking up another zero, but I do see us taking another leg down if we can't hold this support here and we break that neckline, which we already broke one neckline. So if we break this support, which is 603, and we've been having, man, I'm telling you, we've been having strong support. I think the lowest this thing went down was like 603023, and then it bounced straight back up. On the flip side, if we can get ahead of this 20-day moving average, which is 603315, and we can bounce off this moving average and turn it into support, then we'll start trading within this channel right here, a 603315 and 603689. If we can break this Bollinger Band here, then finally we can get to 604, which has seen, family, to be the toughest resistance, man. I mean, 604 was like Ethereum 2K. We could not break it. I think we broke at 604 and went to like 6043, and then we shot wave down. So it was just tough for us to break that. Again, because it's RSI level, I'm expecting us to fall a little bit further, but it looks like the markets actually want to be green today. So we'll actually have to see, family. Daddy C, what he do? What he do? All right, we do have a bearish sentiment. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the bears are winning. If you're holding for the long term, as we say, if the shoe don't fit, don't wear it. Or if it don't apply, let it fly. Y'all guys know all the sayings. So again, we are in bearish territory, but it's just an opportunity for us to continue to accumulate. And as I say, that 200 weekly moving, or I want to say 200 daily average. I don't know if it's the SMA or the weekly moving average. I have to check. But it says it right here. Any Dogelon Mars price prediction would stay bearish as long as the price stays within the above described range. Only a breakout in a higher high than 6060 could flip bearish outlook to bullish. So we need to break 6060, and that'll create tons of FOMO. We're already seeing it from the Dogelon Mars Warriors. As you can see, new holders, baby. New holders. We're getting a lot of new holders here. We have crossed the 140,000 level. So we love to see this. Make sure you like and subscribe, man. So, and the whales only hold 52% of the supply. So it seems like more people that come in and become holders, the lesser of supplies that the whales hold, which is a good thing, because we want them to be there, you know what I'm saying, but we don't want them to have complete control where they can manipulate the market and manipulate Elon. So we love to see that. All right, Dogelon to Mars, baby. What up, Alexander? Yeah, we continue to hold that 603. It's been extremely strong support, family. It's been extremely strong support. We love to see that. All right. So all right. So we looked at the charts here. We did check out the charts. So we go back to them. All right. So we may rise. So what's going on the traditional market? So market's open in 40 minutes. As you can see, family, S&P up, Dow up, NASDAQ up. We like to see that. I told y'all yesterday that I felt like the Dixie was going to top out at 108. Well, I was wrong. It's still going at 109. Maybe after it completes this higher high, we see it go down a little bit lower, which would be good for people that's trading, because we know bear markets are more for traders. You feel me? If we hold in long term, of course we don't care about this, but the bear market is more for traders. So after this Dixie chart completes this higher high here, I expect it to go down a little lower, and we'll have that range here to maybe get a little green in the crypto market, in the traditional markets, heading up to the Ethereum merge. So we do got the Ethereum merge coming up, which is a good thing for crypto. I expect it to be bullish, especially for ERC20 tokens. So hopefully we can get a little bit of relief heading up to the Ethereum merge. But again, I expect a lot of people to dump. Some of the people in the crypto space right now are just trying to make up what they lost, family. We had a lot of contagion inside the market. So when these prices go up, a lot of people is like, okay, I'm checking out. You feel me? Holding in cash, looking for another leg down. Everybody right now is greedy in the crypto market. Everybody wants the better price, man. And it's just the greed is really taking over the market, unfortunately. Everybody wants the better price. And not knowing that no matter if you buy it right now, 2 to 5 years from now, I mean, we'll be considering this all the low. You know what I'm saying? It wouldn't matter if you got Bitcoin at 17K or 23K. It's still in that range, would be considered the low. Same thing for Elon. For the people that didn't get it at 6023, well, you can get it at 603. You get what I'm saying? But what we're going through is it's not a lot of liquidity and not a lot of retail liquidity. People paying their bills, people trying to catch up with their credit card bills, people trying to catch up with their mortgages, their car notes, and it's just not the extra money right now for crypto, which means it's still a little bit of time for you to accumulate, get your bags up, get your tokens up, and really set aside assets that you can leave for your family as we take this crypto journey and create this legacy. So again, I expect this Dixie chart to actually start coming down, man. I don't think it's gonna go to 120. A lot of people think like this thing gonna flip to 120 and we gonna see like the worst of the worst lows with this leg down. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the chat, man. What y'all think in the chat, man? You know what I'm saying? I'm not always right. I'm not always wrong. I'm not always right. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube. You feel me? Don't hold it against me. All right, so we moving on to the S&P, man. SPY chart here. So again, if we look at the 5-day here, man, we're seeing we can look at the negative, which is the SPY chart here going down. We notice this is inverted for right now, Bitcoin, until Bitcoin uncouples this. But again, anything under 415, I want to just say 420, it's pretty bearish. Every time we hit 413, though, we see lots of money flow. So maybe 413 is the bottom. Maybe it goes down a little bit lower to 409. It's starting to go back up. The low was 412 and now it's headed back up. And that's probably why we're seeing a little bit of reversal from the market. But a lot of times these be fake outs, family, especially in a bear market. The bear market is extremely what's the word I'm looking for? It's extremely deceptive. You get what I'm saying? So it'll take us a week to go up 30%, and then 2 days we lose the whole 30% that we just went up. So bear markets are extremely deceptive. I want everybody to understand that. Be safe in this market. This is not financial advice. This is just stuff that I'm seeing across the board that I choose to share with y'all as I take my journey through crypto. All right, so SPY, we need this thing to be above 420. For it to be bullish for the crypto, we need it to be sitting around them all-time highs, which is 440. What's that, December around? Okay, so yeah, you can see here, family, like when we went on those runs, look how high this was. Okay, November 2021, when we actually went on that run. I mean, the run started, it actually started when the SPY hit 430. We're not even near 430. We're like 20 points down, and we got all the way up to about 476. So we need 430, and then we should see some type of bullish momentum inside the crypto space, man. But we really can't fight against this. We got monetary policies going on, tightening, and again the Jackson Hole, the Jackson 5. These guys want to talk. These guys want to put out FUD in the market. We already know how it goes. You can see here, man, from Lynn Alden, it said this is amazing to what extent we rely on nature's daily moves for energy. Low rivers in Europe, problems with nuclear cooling, coal transport. Low rivers in China equal hydroelectric shortages, shutting down the industry. You know, people here are walking around, man. These people are walking around. This used to be the ocean, man. This used to be the river, or excuse me, not ocean, but the Yangtze River, y'all, at Wuhan, man, it's completely dry right now. So like China going through all type of stuff, man. Like it's stuff going on into the world that we not even in touch with, man. So we can't control this inside the market. Europe going through the inflation. I think one of those countries was up to 18% inflation. That's just amazing, man. That's just amazing, man. Like, you can't even buy a bag of chicken these days. You buy a bag of chicken, you go broke buying a bag of chicken for your family. It's like, what are we doing? And who are the people running this stuff? So we know that it's going to be we're ushering ourselves right now into a great reset. We know we're ushering ourselves right now into a new monetary system. Now, we don't know when it's going to happen. Maybe it happens before 2025. But right now, things are just effed up. You can go down here, man, when you type in China. Look, but we got some positive news here. China is planning a $30 billion fund. So China is going to turn on the money printer, which would be good. It's going to help the fears, the FUD that's going on around China and the economy collapsing. And hopefully China turning on the money printer it just might, family, it just might make Jay Powell also turn on the money printer. So again, this is positive right here. $30 billion to be injected. And you know, some people gonna use it on crypto, man. So it is what it is. China has also experienced the worst heat wave ever recorded in global history. Man, it's just crazy, man. All right, moving on to Europe. Europe is going through a deep recession, depression. China slowing down. We got global supply chain crisis, Europe energy crisis. The euro is shot down. I mean, crypto is the way. Crypto is clearly the way, man. All these people, man, they put leverage killed industries. You know what I'm saying? Leverage killed a lot of industries as of last year. So many people got loans and then they got leverage. Leverage is killing the real estate industry over there in China. Leverage created contagion in crypto. Leverage is the reason why the US is down trillions of dollars. It's leverage, family. Leverage from something that can simply just be printed whenever people want to print it. It's crazy, man. Digital assets is going to change a lot of that stuff, and that's why everybody the older crowds, and not just the older crowds, the people that believe such in this great system, man, they're going to get pushed out. The countries that adopt this too quickly are the ones that's going to have the most control. So I expect, since US, China, they don't want to be last on anything, I expect China eventually to change their outlook on crypto, and I expect US really to get this regulation thing down pat, more clarity, so we can understand what we're actually getting to. I want to get all the fair stuff out the way in this video, family, while we live, so y'all can know what's going on and why the crypto is so volatile right now. All right, we also got Mount Gox coming. So people so scared of Mount Gox, but let me tell y'all something, man. You gotta understand, why if I had Bitcoin sitting in Mount Gox, why would I sell at the bottom? Why would I sell at the bottom? This is FUD. A lot of those people that invested in Bitcoin, they invested in Bitcoin for the long term. Now, they may be up tons of gains, and I don't know anybody's financial situation, again, allegedly. But how I'm thinking, if I had a nice payday coming from Mount Gox, I don't think I would just be so quick to sell my Bitcoin. And I don't think a lot of these investors are also going to be quick to sell their Bitcoin, especially with the Ethereum merge near. Why would you sell your Bitcoin right before the Ethereum merge? You still got an opportunity to run it up and off the buy the rumor, sell the news type of mentality. So again, this is more fair. I don't think these guys I think it's just a lot of people putting more into it than what it is. I don't personally believe they are just in a rush to sell their Bitcoin. So can't wait to mount. They just sitting on their phones, checking it every 5 minutes, waiting for their Bitcoin to, no. You know what I'm saying? These people are smart investors, man. They're smart investors, man. It's crazy, man. It's so much fun. You feel me? To try to stop crypto. It's not going to stop us, man. You feel me? They already tried to stop so many times. It's just not going to stop. I did find this cool post here from a blast from the past from the ISS National Lab, who name dropped not just Methuselah Foundation, but also Dogelon Mars. It says, exciting research, hopefully coming to the station shortly. Also, great to see third-party funding from entities like Methuselah Foundation and Dogelon Mars supporting the space station research. So again, family, if you ever doubted the utility, the value of Dogelon Mars, here you got the international lab here, name dropping Dogelon Mars, letting y'all know that they don't just know about Methuselah, but they clearly understand Dogelon Mars. So, you feel me? Methuselah said, thanks to our collaboration with NASA's Vascular Tissue Challenge support, a generous donation from Dogelon Mars community, Atala's experiment will be heading to the space station in longevity, Dogelon Mars, Vitalik Buterin, man. So we always got a lot of stuff to hold on to and to look forward to, being that we are one of the few tokens that are ushering space exploration to Mars civilization and also health longevity. All right, so just to let y'all know, want to rejuvenate a lot of people's memories. That way you can feel good about investing, because you want to feel good about the tokens that you hold. You feel me? I remember a few years back I had this portfolio and it was just based on it's based on the hype and stuff, and I didn't feel good about my portfolio like I feel right now. Like, if you feel good about your portfolio, like and subscribe to this video, man. If you feel good about your portfolio. Now, we did get an update from Elon Musk on Neuralink. I want to know what y'all think about Neuralink, man. Elon Musk over here trying to put chips in people's head. What y'all think about that? I'm gonna let that chill for a second. What y'all think about that? What y'all think about Elon Musk and Neuralink? I'm gonna look at some of these comments here, catch up. All right, we continue to hold. Yep. All right. C says it's just digits on a digital screen at this point anyway. Fair value is gone. I feel you, man. I mean, it is what it is. I was talking to my uncle yesterday, and he was like, man, you know, I see that you inside that crypto out. You know what I'm saying? I hear what you be doing. He was like, man, you feel me? He's like, go get you some gold. He's like, go get you some gold, some silver. You feel me? You can hide gold in your house. You know what I'm saying? You can always hold on to it. You feel me? What happens if they just cut off the whole internet supply? You feel me? What happens if they just cut off all the satellites and we got no Wi-Fi? What's going to happen to everybody's digital assets? You know what I'm saying? And, you know, it's something to think about. He actually made a grand and a great point. You feel me? I personally don't hold any gold or silver. And I know now, like, gold is even digital too, in a way. Like, it's not like you actually have the gold bars. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it was just something to think about, man, because he was referring back to Y2K when in 2000, he was like, when he was in New York, everybody thought the internet was going to go out. Everybody thought it was going to be straight black, no lights, internet crash, end of the world type situation. From 1999 to 2000, everybody was like waiting for that to happen. And of course, it never happened. But again, what if it did happen? You feel me? And what if something like that happened in today's time? You feel me? How would that affect digital assets? I want to know y'all opinion. We had a great conversation yesterday. It's funny, you know what I'm saying, because talking to the older cats, they you know, they're still on the I need stuff that I can see. I need stuff that I can hold. And a lot of my homies, they still like that. They didn't want to get into crypto because it's like, man, I can't see it. I can't hold it. I'd rather do this. And then, you know, different strokes, different folks. But I just found that very interesting, the perspective, because your perspective is your reality. And I just found that interesting, how some people value more things that they actually can see and hold and know is yours. Like when you go to the pawn shop, you got a laptop that you can actually take down there, opposed to something that's more speculative. You get what I'm saying? So in the next 5 years, I pose this question to you. In the next 5 years, family, would you rather hold crypto or gold? I want to know from y'all, family. Would you rather hold crypto or gold? Let me know in the chat, man. Go crazy in the chat right now. Go crazy in the chat right now. C said he stacks silver too. Oh yeah, ETFs is definitely the thing. When I first started investing, man, that was the first thing that I actually used to invest into. I was investing into ETFs. Just doing a lot of research at Robinhood. You can actually go back to my older videos and you see that I talked about ETFs, vertical farming. You feel me? Let me know if y'all want to see me do more stock stuff and more just fine. I did infrastructure stocks right around that time that bill was passed. Stuff with solar. You know, I do have a history with solar as well. So yeah, man, y'all let me know if y'all want to see more videos outside of just crypto, where I'm talking about gold, silver, lithium, stocks. It's a huge world of investing. And you feel me? And when you listen to the Elon Musk and the Kevin O'Leary, especially Kevin O'Leary, like his range of investing is crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? He's connected with like the Norways, the sovereign money. You feel me? These people that go have these conversations in Antarctica, the people that the families. There's a group of families that actually run the world, and that's why. Excuse me. I'm so interested in BlackRock. I'm so interested in just different things about BlackRock. Actually, I wanted to show you guys this. So this bot here has been right like 75% of the time, right? It's called the Real Vision bot. Okay, so I want to usually they got a portfolio, right? Their portfolio is legit. It's like the best cryptos right now you can have in your portfolio. It's like they do a whole bunch of different tests and macro stuff. I don't know how it's actually made, but as you can see, family, based on Real Vision, and usually Real Vision is right. Real Vision is usually right. You know what I'm saying? This right now is the way Real Vision has set up its crypto portfolio, as you can see. So it give you real time, and this changes, family. It's not like they hold these tokens. If something flat, they get rid of it and they'll move on to something different. And as you can see right here, man, you see Quant, you see Chili's. I need to get more exposure to Chili's, man. I know it got something to do with sports. I did a little bit of research, but I don't have any Chili's. And I also been researching Filecoin, because family, if you don't know, and you can see it here on Real Vision's portfolio, you want to have tokens in your portfolio that's deflationary and have rare, limited supply. At 3 o'clock, I got a video coming speaking on some of my top 2 tokens on crypto.com with the rare supply. These are the tokens that you're going to see humongous gains on, because it's not trillions and trillions of circulating supply. Notice here, they don't have any meme coins on this real bot. Now, that's not saying nothing is bad about meme coins or anything, but this is real. This is real business right here. This is real business. This is real bot. It gives you projects that's the future of crypto. You see, for instance, Polygon, they got to deal with Disney. You see, it ain't missing out on Polygon. Quant been going crazy. It's in the news, everything. Quant. Aave, a lending protocol. Cosmos. They got 37% Biddy and 29% Ethereum as they get ready for the run to the next to the Ethereum merge. And as you can see there, this is the exchange. So the ones that the cryptos that they actually have on exchange, they're 24% in Solana. They're big on ADA, which is a surprise, and they hold 14% on stablecoin. So they still got cash ready to inject into some of these top portfolios. Now, they have Uniswap here. So my portfolio is similar, except like instead of Uniswap, I got Sushi Swap. You get what I'm saying? Like instead of BNB, I got a BNB token, which is a Beefy Finance, which has an 80,000 total supply. Again, so I just wanted to give y'all this, man, so you can have an idea how to diversify your portfolio. Now, of course, I got a big back of Elon, which I would not recommend, as they say, as Real Vision would not recommend. But I believe in Elon. I believe in the mission. I just think it's ahead of its time. And as more people get into the health protocols of crypto and all these big giants, as they realize, like, dang, I'm getting kind of old, I might need to hit up Methuselah. You feel me? I expect Methuselah and Dogelon Mars to actually grow. You get what I'm saying? But I just want to give y'all this. C says he sticks with silver. Alright. See what else I got for y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Went to the whale stats. Alright. Crypto. It's still light, man. Little, it was a little green, but we still can't get no traction. Too much going on. It's just too much going on right now, family. Too much going on. people scared as hell, scared to spend their money. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, right now I've been DCAing into projects with little total supply. So for instance, like QNT here. Usually my tokens are like big boy, not big boy tokens, but these last two that I actually invested in, as you can see, very limited circulating supply, very limited max supply. And then this is a gem, man. This right here only got a $28 million market cap, and it's one of the top tokens for real yield. Now it is expensive, but all you need is one. The high of Beefy Finance was 3,500, and that's not even, that's just the cusp. If they're talking about quant and stuff like XRP going to 15,000 a token, this token with 80,000 total supply, where do you think it's gonna go? It's definitely 80,000, so you guys can see that. 72,000 is circulating, 90 already out there. This thing definitely can go to 20,000, 25,000 a token. We see other tokens that have cost as much as Bitcoin. They don't get talked about enough because not a lot of people can afford to buy it. But the people that bought it low, like right now, this is low. The low is like 313. You feel me? I got in about 384. I got one of them at 384, and then I've been DCAing working on my second one. So I'm not rich or nothing like that. I'm just paying attention to what I need to pay attention in. Laser focus, family. Like and subscribe. So circulating supply. Get you some deflationary tokens in your portfolio. Because if you're going to have one like Elon token, if you're going to have one like this that has all this right here going on, inflationary type stuff, then you want to pretty much have something to hedge against this. So that's why it's so important, family, to diversify your portfolio. And as you can see, back to the Real Vision bot here, if you don't want to get Beefy Finance, then go with Quant, man. Go with Quant or Aave, you feel me? Or even Binance. Binance is also deflationary. You feel me? And it's going to keep rising, keep rising, and it's very expensive. And what a lot of people don't know is crypto.com. If you're a person that, okay, let me go show you guys here. Actually, what a lot of people don't know is that Cronus coin, crypto.com, is also a deflationary token. Now, at first it was inflationary, but they burned like 70 billion or something tokens, and it became deflationary. Now, as you can see, 25 billion, 83% of it is already in the circulating supply, and the max supply is 30 billion. So that's not bad. It's not trillions or quadrillions of tokens. And again, it's become deflationary. So we can see Crow potentially hit maybe $2, maybe $5, or even $10 inside the future. So I just want to bring that to y'all light, man. Find y'all some deflationary tokens, man. Align yourself with some of the institution, man. But this Real Vision, man, they got like a 75% success rate on their cryptos that they chose, man. So I just want to share that with you guys. I want to give y'all another example. Let's see if I can pull it up on coinwin.net here. Let me see if I can pull up something like Quant or Beefy Finance. All right. $28 million market cap. Let's say this thing right here goes to 5,000 a token. That's not even $1 billion market cap. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. Right now it's at 28 million, family, of market cap, right? If this token go to 5,000 a token, that would still only sit it at a $360 million market cap. That is crazy. That is crazy. Now let's say if we can get this thing up to $1 billion token. Let's say everybody just start going crazy with Beefy Finance. So why would people go crazy with Beefy Finance? Let me show y'all guys. Y'all gotta understand what's going on in the crypto space, bro. People ain't gonna tell y'all this because they not doing this type of research, right? They not doing this type of research. That's why they not gonna tell y'all this. All right, bam. So multi-chain yield optimizer. They do so much stuff. I'm gonna save some of this for the video, so I'm not gonna tell y'all. But a lot of people are interested in this project because of the yield that it offers. Crazy yield, and it's a Binance project, so it's gonna be here. It ain't going nowhere. You feel me? You want to make sure it's connected to some greats. All right. So let's go back to CoinWin. Let's say this token go to 15,000 per token, right? We seen stuff like Shiba Inu go, Dogecoin go to $90 billion, right? This is a real yield token, family. This is actually stuff people gonna use. If this thing goes to just $1 billion token, $1 billion market cap, right? That's 15,000 a token, y'all. It's just $400 right now. So if this token hits $1 billion market cap, it's gonna be 15,000 per token, right? 15,000 per token, and it's only 400, and it's only a $28 million market cap. That's what I'm saying. This is so 2 of these at $1 billion market cap is 30 grand, just 2 of them. Find y'all some deflationary tokens, man. You feel me? We done with we done with following the wave, man. We done with all this 000 max supply and all this, man. We trying to make real bags. You feel me? So, and this is just one of the tokens. You can still keep your meme coins, and I'm not telling you to sell nothing. Keep your portfolio, but find your projects. Don't copy me, man. I'm gonna show y'all the way. Just don't copy me. You feel me? I'm gonna show you the way. So I believe personally, this is my personal belief, is that something like Beefy Finance can hit $1 billion in the next bull run, which would leave it at 15,000 a token, right? All right. So let's say it get to somewhere, let's say real yield goes crazy, and then everybody is, you know how the bull run, everybody is trying to make the APY. Everybody, I'm telling you, because when the bull run come, everybody is going to these multi-yield, real yields. That everybody, we seen with Anchor, we seen with it, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving y'all $2 billion market cap. This thing could go to $30,000 a token and only be a $2 billion market cap. I'm giving y'all them gems, man. Potential biddies out here. How you think biddy got so strong and got so high? Because of the low total supply. The rarer the token is, the higher and the more want for the token. So this gonna run out. It's only 72,000. It's only 72,000 of these, man, and this gonna run out. You know what I'm saying? So again, it's going to be real hard to get your hands on that token. It's Elon Musk. Hell yeah. What do you predict Elon will be at the end of the year? Elon. So let me go into some Elon for y'all, because y'all know y'all come with for the Elon. Let me get to the Elon, man. Let me get to the Elon. I'm gonna get to the Elon. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? Get to the Elon. You feel? Y'all let y'all know. So I'm not gonna go off my prediction, right? I'm gonna go off Coin Codex prediction. All right. This is what they got us at the end of the year, right? Prediction. At the end of the year, the 1 year prediction based on Coin Codex for Elon is 405570 in 1 year. Now, what we got? Like couple months left, 3 to 6 months left. What's it right now? August. We got September, October, November, December. So 4 months. So yeah, the 3 month is 507296. So that's the 3 month. 507. Let's see where that would put us at. All right. So 507, family. 507 would put us at a $3 billion market cap. So it's all about what you think. Do you believe Dogelon Mars can get to a $3 billion market cap? We already crossed $1 billion before, so we know that it's possible to get to $1 billion. But do you think that Dogelon Mars has enough steam to to become a $3 billion market cap. I do. Now, let me tell you why I do. All right. Because they saying that we're going to be 507 by the end of the year. Now, I don't totally believe that can happen, but then I do totally believe that can happen, because guess what? We got the whole voting thing. So I expect the Fed to go dovish because they want to win these votes, right? So we got the whole election thing coming around, and usually crypto gets bullish around October. October going into winter, everybody trying to inject money, flip their money, and have a great winter and have great holidays. We know how it goes, and then a sell-off at the beginning of the year. It happens every year. So again, can Dogelon Mars run going up to the end of the year? Definitely can. Definitely can. And also, what backs that up? Well, we're seeing, family. We're seeing here. See if I can find it. We're seeing here. Look at it. Every day the holders go up. So what's that? We got like we getting like 50 holders a day, man. 25 to 50 holders a day, and this gonna keep going up as long as y'all keep rocking them Dogelon Warriors avatars, and so many people see the Dogelon Warriors, and so many people see us trending. This is gonna keep going up. This is gonna create FOMO because everybody loves meme coins. I know I talk all my stuff about these big huge tokens with the token in supply, but at the end of the day, everybody loves meme coins. Everybody loves their dog coins. Why? Because they cheap. They cheap. You can get a whole bunch of them for a low price. So yes, when FOMO sets in, right? Well, Millie, when will FOMO set in? I thought you never asked. FOMO for Dogelon Mars sets to set in at 6060. So 6060, they say that's when the FOMO will set in. That's when we get bullish. Now, how far are we away from that? Let's see, family. Let's see. Right there. So we got to cross right there. So we got to cross that. We got and check it out, family. The people that's actually buying Dogelon Mars right now, even when we get up here to this resistance at 606, you already been done doubled your money. So if you put 1,000 in, you already been up 1,000 by the time we get to where we get bullish. So that's the importance. Like, so many people, they look at the, oh man, it's so low, it's in the red. That's the perfect opportunity, and we're not even bullish. So you already making 50 to 100% of your profit before we even get bullish, and bam, FOMO hits you in the mouth at 606, and we just take off. We don't got a lot of resistance. We don't got that much strong resistance once we hit that 606. I expect once we cross 606 for Elon to be extremely bullish. You can see we're completely oversold on the RSI. And if I go down here, to the MACD, check it out. You see the divergence here. One big bubble, one small bubble. Divergence, and we are very, very close to a reversal on the weekly chart. So as soon as this blue line, family, I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me see if I can so y'all can see it. Soon as this blue line crosses this orange line, the MACD line crosses the signal, it signals a reversal. Technically, you feel me? We need a lot of stuff to happen, but as soon as this blue line crosses this orange line, we can get that reversal on the weekly charts, and hopefully we can break 606, which would be bullish. at 39. So it just depends, bro. It depends. It depends on how the market goes. It just depends on a lot of factors like Bitcoin, Ethereum. You know, none of this matters. None of the stuff that matters unless Bitcoin and Ethereum does well. But for 3 months, we can get to 607. That's what they're saying, 507, which is a $3 billion market cap. Is that realistic? Is that unrealistic? Y'all let me know in the chat. But again, it is possible that we can go on a run before the year end. But again, we would have to see the Fed go dovish, right? We got to see China inject that $30 billion and turn on the money printer. We need to see Europe turn on the money printer. And also, we need to get past this Mt. Gox 6 situation and hopefully have a successful Ethereum merge, which would be extremely great for ERC20 tokens. So family, it's a lot. It's a lot. But in Dogelon, we believe, right? Because as you can see right here, price has increased by 383% in the last year, outperformed 99% of the top 100 cryptos in a year, outperformed Bitcoin and Ethereum, also trading on KuCoin. So as you can see, and guess what, family? We're down 80% of the high, so we can still get as much bags for the low. But for the people that talk that smack, we outperformed 99% of the top 100's assets in 1 year. So that's huge. LR Morris, that's a good average. In crypto, anything can happen. That's for sure. That's for sure. Yeah, I would never count. I would never count no meme coins out, man. I can't count them out. Even though I've been drawn away from them as I learn more about crypto and learn more about utility and value. You feel me? I don't have as many meme coins as I did have. If I'm looking for a meme coin at this point, I'm looking for something that's new, that's hot, that has hype. Because a lot of them, unfortunately, family, they ain't coming back. They ain't coming back. You feel me? I don't think that necessarily fits the narrative for the top three, which is Dogecoin, Sheeb, and Dogelon Mars. I think they're already they have such a strong foundation that I think that they can come back. But a lot of the other ones, I don't know if they can come back, family. I don't know if they can come back. Y'all let me know. I mean, I don't hold the Saitama. I see they got like a strong community. I know Saitama. I know Baby Doge can do well. Vote definitely can do well. Floki, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of them. I don't know if they can come back. Now they are some of them are creating these ecosystems when utilities, but once the Ethereum merge 2.0 happens, I mean, how big do you think their layer 2 might be? I mean, does Shibarium, for instance, does Shibarium really hold any weight to a layer 2 like Polygon? I mean, you got to start thinking about that type of stuff as they create these ecosystems. You feel me? Will they work? And when you create something for a token or let's say Dogelon Mars, I see a lot of people in the community trying to create stuff for Elon. Well, how does what you're creating, how does it affect Elon, the price, the circulating supply? Is it a tax, burn tax? Like, if you're gonna, it's a lot of unanswered things about a lot of these creations. So you feel me? If you're gonna create something, they gotta directly affect the token for the good. That way the community can see the benefits from it. That's why we are a community token. The community, we create things in the community so we can see a benefit from it, and it helps more. It draws more people to the token, and again, it helps the tokenomics of the token. So I want to see more things that's created that's helping the tokenomics of the token. You feel me? A lot of people get a lot of flack because people be like, oh, Millie, we don't need the burns. We don't need the burns. Okay, you say you don't need the burns, and that's cool. That's why I got tokens that I ain't got to worry about if we get burned or not. I ain't got to worry about that because the stuff that I'm investing in, I don't even got to think about Dogelon Mars or Elon. I don't have to think about it. That's what diversifying your portfolio does. So a lot of people may be against the burns, but I don't know how you can be against the burns. You feel what I'm saying? Like, Shiba Inu, for instance, got like a million holders. But the stuff that they're doing, as you can see, this probably was sitting at 10000 just like Dogelon, but they've been burning billions and trillions of tokens. So now it's not sitting at 1000000. It's actually lowering, which would be good for the circulating supply. Let me pull that up for you. Which would be good for the circulating supply. But you see this number? This number is actually going down. This is what we need to see, family. We need to see this money going down, and then we'll see more higher runs. Not, I mean, even when this go down, it helps the price. But when this go down, it ain't coming back, family. And that's what I need to I'm trying to stress to you guys. Staking, burning, however they want to do it, X, Elon, whatever. This needs to start getting affected. It needs to start going down. And then we'll see this start going down as well. And we'll start seeing this go higher with more support, more strength. But y'all don't feel me though. Y'all don't feel me though. Because too many times we get wrapped up into this right here. Oh, it's under $1. Oh, it's under a cent. We get so wrapped up into this right here that we not paying attention to what really matters, which is this. Which is this right here. Circulating supply and volume. That's what matters. Are people using the token, and does it have potential without being inflationary? That's what freaking matters, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Appreciate that, RL Morris. Appreciate that. Faded Chip God said Elon is a mission token. Yes, it is a mission token, but it's still considered a meme coin by the masses. Now, of course, people in the Dogelon Mars community consider it a mission token, which is fine because it legitimately it does have a mission, and the mission is to create value, utility, and health inside the crypto space, including scientific research and finding very unique ways to feed astronauts in space. So there is a utility, there is a mission, family. Now, I would never say that it's not. You get what I'm saying? But on some lists, we're still considered a meme coin, a meme token. So you can call it whatever you want to call it. Some people call it Dogelon Mars. I call it Dogelon Mars. When I first started covering Dogelon Mars, I was saying Dogelon Mars, and then I found out the real pronunciation. And now that I'm saying Dogelon Mars, people will say, "Oh, it's Dogelon Mars." But when I was saying Dogelon Mars, people was in the comments saying, "Oh, it's Dogelon Mars. This is Doge, Dog, whatever y'all want to call it. Y'all call it, man. That's up to you. You feel me? Your project, not mine." But again, I'm just giving you guys RL Morris said I sold all my sheep for Dogelon. Hey, and that's is what it is. Like I'm not saying this because I'm saying Sheeb is better than Dogelon. I mean, Sheeb already is sitting at a $7 million market cap. So Sheeb has seen his runs. Now, Sheeb would have to go up to like a $90 billion market cap to start creating millionaires again. You feel what I'm saying? It got to hit where Dogecoin hit at its all-time high. Can Sheeb do that? It can. You feel me? They got a lot of stuff they're working on. They got a lot of stuff that they've been building inside the bear market. And they got a very strong community, a very loud community, a very community that cult type community that plans on being around through the thick and thin. You've seen that Sheeb is holding support at 4013. We seen that Dogelon Mars is holding extreme support at 603. So these top meme coins, mission tokens, they're going to be around. I don't think that they're dead. I don't think that they're not going to be around. And just like Dogelon Mars, man, Sheeb has over 1 million people on the watch list. So value and utility is okay, but hype in crypto really matters. And when you find tokens that can generate that hype and can create a value and utility and ecosystem within the crypto sector, that's how you make magic. It's kind of like positive charts, less negativity in the macro environment. It means magic for crypto. It means money put on for Jay Powell and more money being injected into the crypto space. So we're going to eventually see those runs that we want to see. But is it going to happen tomorrow? Maybe not. Is it going to happen next week? Maybe not. Is it going to happen next month? Hey, maybe not. But they usually say after the Bitcoin hash signal prints, a month later, that's when the run starts. So we got the hash print from Bitcoin. It takes about a month for that actually to set in, because a lot of this stuff is lagging. A lot of these indicators are lagging. It's take about a month to set in. Just like a lot of people don't think the recession is just priced in yet. A lot of people don't think this and that is priced in because a lot of these indicators are lagging. So once we get out the woods with this Mt. Gox situation, this whole Ethereum merge, then we'll have a more clearer picture of where we're going. In the next FOMC meeting, if it goes 0.5 Fed rate hike, that is signaling that that we may be headed into a U-turn and that the Fed is dovish, which would be extremely bullish for crypto. If we go 0.75, we probably just still trade sideways because the 0.75 is already priced in, family. 0.50 send us to the next level. Y'all let me know what you think they're going to do. Are they going to do 0.75 or they going to do 0.50 on the Fed rate hikes? I want to know from y'all right now in the chat. Like, subscribe, share this. What are they going to do? Help people out in the community. Help us find a way, baby. What are they going to do? L.R. Morris says, trust the process. Exactly. See? Dogelon. That's what I was trying to tell people, man. They was all on my chat. Nah, you saying it wrong, man. One guy was like, you keep saying Dogelon Mars and it make me think that you can't read. Like, well, fam, go do your own research. Because now you just invested into something and you didn't do any research. You don't even know the name of the token. You still thinking about Dogecoin. What do you think about Dogecoin over here? Y'all on. Hemi Life. Do you think Lunic will hit 10 cent? Hemi Life. Lunic, man. I don't invest into Lunic, okay? I made a little money off Lunic when it first capitulated, and then something happened with crypto.com where they messed up the circulating supply and then my profit all. It just was terrible. It was just terrible. You feel me? And then I had a little flack with crypto.com. But as you can see right here, Shiba Inu audit Certic. That's what I was trying to tell people when they was oh man, that wasn't FUD. I'm saying Elon token need to get this. This looks good. This looks good. When people see this, institutions and stuff, they want to see that. Rumor is institutions are already invested into Shiba Inu. You can already go buy Gucci with Shiba. They got a potential a partnership allegedly with Red Bull on the way. So it's the small things that matter, family. You feel me? And that's what I want the Dogelon Mars devs and whoever created this to pay attention to detail, man. That's all I'm saying. Just pay attention to detail and understand the small things that matter. First impression is the best impression. Every time we do a stream, we rise, baby. It's that Millie effect. You feel me? Millie got Dogelon Mars rising, man. If you know that Millie got the Millie effect, make sure you like and subscribe, man. Don't be shy. Like and subscribe. Don't be shy. Like and subscribe. Don't be shy. Like and subscribe. Don't be shy. Hey, shout out. Hey, El Salvador. Hey, I rock with y'all. Hey, man, tell me a little bit more about did El Salvador, did he really give everybody a Bitcoin card with $30 on it? Yo, that's crazy, man. If Bitcoin go to like 1 million, everybody got that card. Man, how is El Salvador, man, with the whole, how is it living in a country where Bitcoin is legal, crypto is legal? I need to know, man. How is it? I've been thinking about going to Puerto Rico, baby. You gotta let me know how El Salvador is, man. Is it cool for black people out there? Can a brother come out there? Can a brother come out to El Salvador and be safe? Is it cool or is it not cool? Is it cool? Can I come out there and be safe? Am I good? Can we kick it like the Bobos? Can I throw a shindig? Can I throw a shindig out there, El Salvador, and we be good? Appreciate the love, El Predator. Hey, that's what's up. Man. He got the cheat. They call it the Chivo wallet, man. I like to see that, man. I like to see that. Appreciate it, man. I'm just making sure, man. I ain't trying to get, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to get sliced up and that, man. I heard some crazy stories and stuff, man. But I think a lot of people sleep on El Salvador and the Bitcoin making a legal tender because from what I was reading from one of the from Max, one of the Bitcoin Maxes, he was saying how the crime went down, how it's more tourists, and it's just been great for the economy, family. And we like to see that. We like to see that, man. We like to see, you know, positivity, man. All good vibes wherever you at. If you rolling with Millie, I don't care what country in, you know what. I don't care about none of that, man. If you rock with me, I rock with you. You feel me? It is what it is. That's from everybody from different strokes of life, man. We in this crypto thing together. And I think, man, with the regulation and the institutions trying to really take over crypto, we need to start sticking together more, man. These projects, we got to start sticking together. We got to start being one voice, man, for the crypto. We got to save crypto from the institutions. I know I talk my talk about having investments into institutional money, and I do. Stuff like Hedera, Quant, you know, institutions are highly into that, which are centralized. And it's just because I want exposure to that market. Just like anybody else who invests, you want to have exposure into the things that's hot. You feel me? Because it gets a lot hot in the kitchen, man. But I appreciate everybody from everywhere, man. When I look at my stats, man, I see all the different people from all the different countries all uniting on my channel, man, and showing love. It just is special. It's special. And we need unity right now in the world. With all the crazy stuff that's going on, I think we need more unity, man. We need to stick together. Unity, unify. You feel me? That's going to be huge in the crypto space, man. Just more unity, family. I think it's going to be huge. I never heard what Pop, what's that? Poo Boo Pop, man. What is that? I ain't never heard of that. Oh, it sound like it's, you may have spoken on this. I am late. But what are your thoughts on Cadena? I didn't bring up no Cadena today. Hey, we got a Cadena. All right, so if you don't know, now you know. I hold a substantial amount of Cadena. Yes, I do. Now, I was a little bit influenced by my boy Ryan. I watch Ryan, you feel me? That's my guy, you feel me? Go Ryan Mattis or something like that. He's huge on Cadena and Flux. And yes, I am bullish on Cadena. Now, I got many reasons why I'm bullish on Cadena. I just like it. The only thing I'm not bullish about it, of course, is the supply here. I don't like how it's set up. But other than that, I feel like Cadena could be a huge blockchain. If they can figure out the supply, I think it can rise substantially, man. Maybe a $50 Cadena or 100 Cadena would be nice in the future. They have DEX. Codex, they have a DEX where you can swap tokens. I believe they got a wallet. They got a lot of stuff coming out with Cadena, man. Cadena could be huge in the future. I have nothing bad outside of supply to say anything about Cadena. I like Cadena. I have Cadena. I hold Cadena. And I was just recently restructuring my portfolio, and I was like, you know what? I got some Flux. I need to just go ahead and get some Cadena, and that's what I did. I got some Cadena, and I feel I'm very confident with my portfolio right now, family. I'm very, very, very confident in my portfolio. I like what I have. Hopefully this is the bottom and I ain't got to do too much more DCAing because I am tired of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm fully invested into crypto, unfortunately. So I got to really, really manage my income outside of crypto, which is cool because I work, I do YouTube, and I still got my business. So it's good. But I don't want to continue to have to inject and DCA because I got a good bit of my net worth right now in crypto. So the way my portfolio is set up, it's gonna put me in a position of positions for my family. You feel me? My main goal, man, when I got into crypto is really to break the poverty chain in my family, man. Ain't no millionaires in my family. I don't have any millionaires in my family, so that was just the main thing for me, is creating some type of passive, but not just passive, creating some type of legacy changing income for the family. Now, I don't expect everybody in my family to believe in it. It's cool. I'll be the one to take that walk, take that step, and you know what I'm saying, take that chance and that risk. But I'm completely confident in my portfolio that when the next bull run comes around, man, projects like Cadena, Quant, Beefy Finance, these the ones with low supply. They're gonna go crazy. And then of course I got my mission token, Dogelon Mars. I got my gaming token, Gala. Heavily invested into Gala. Another one of the tokens I don't like the supply and how the tokenomics to it. I've been looking at Sandbox. I feel like Sandbox is a steal. I've been wanting to get some Sandbox. I just haven't had the extra liquidity to invest into Sandbox, but I like Sandbox, man. I feel like Sandbox is slept on right now, because when we talk about metaverse, right now it's the leading metaverse, Sandbox, and they got so many different people that's involved, like Snoop Dogg, so many partnerships. I believe I seen like a bank. I don't know if it was Wells Fargo or Citibank. I think it was JP Morgan. It was JP Morgan. They had like an office in Sandbox, in the Sandbox metaverse, JP Morgan. So yeah, Chase. So again, yeah, man, I'm just trying to get this, do this thing the right way. That way we don't got to do it again. If you do it right the first time, you never got to do it again. And we seen it from some of the people that was able to turn, I mean, $1,700, $1,000 into 60 million. Just imagine turning 1,700 into 60 million. Self-explanatory, family. Unity community, do you like reptiles? I don't know what you mean by reptiles. I mean, it's a lot of reptilian people out here. They said it's some reptiles walking around, some lizard people. I don't know. I don't really know if I said, should I like reptiles or should I not like reptiles? I don't really like reptiles. I see lizards and I don't want to see them again. So I don't know if we talking about real reptiles. We talking about people, lizard people. Is we talking about some, what's it? I know y'all like the what I call them, the conspiracy videos. We talking about some conspiracy type stuff. I don't know what we talk about. Hemi says, what about Tectonic? No, I do not hold any Tectonic. I did hold a Tectonic, but no, currently I do not hold Tectonic. Let's take a look at Tectonic. Let's see if it's in the buying level. I don't like buying projects in a bear market that's connected to projects, right? Unless they got a good circulating supply. What is this? What is this? Nah, I wouldn't. I had, before I learned what I learned from crypto, yes, I did go buy Tectonic. It's like it's crazy when you a noob, right? You go on crypto.com and you start looking at projects. First thing you see is stuff like Tectonic. You're like, oh, this is cheap, I'm gonna buy it. No. I mean, I love what crypto.com is trying to do with their ecosystem, Tectonic, but in the bear market, no. In a bull run, yes. If this was a bull run, Tectonic could be going crazy. VVS Finance went crazy. MMF Finance went crazy. All that went crazy in the bull run. But in the bear market, it tanked, right? So I will say this. It's a good opportunity to buy now. Look at the market cap, 14 million. Maybe it gets to 100, 200 market cap, which would be good for crypto.com. But nah, not right now for me. Tectonic, no, that's a no for me. Nothing bad about the project. I have nothing bad to say about the project. Just it's not for me as far as my portfolio right now. Okay. Snakes. I don't know. I know people eat snakes. Have you tried it yet? I know they be selling snake around the corner. People be eating it. I mean, out here in the South, people be eating raccoons and possums and all type of stuff. I haven't come down to trying the Wuhan special. Not yet. I ain't tried it yet. We do. Rob Run TV, we do. Would we do what? I mean, Unity community, do you like, okay, Tectonic, LOL, yes, haha. Breed pythons. All right, man. Y'all continue to go crazy in the chat. Let's see what's going on in the crypto space while that is happening. I mean, we seen a little bit of green. Did the markets open yet? Yep, the market's open in the green, family. That is good. I told y'all the Dixie was going to bounce off that higher high. Hey man, y'all need to start liking and subscribing, man. Y'all need to start liking and subscribing, coming with them super chats, man. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't gonna come with the super chat, you know, just like and subscribe, watch the video, help Millie get to 5,000 subscribers. Then we gonna head to 10,000 subscribers. Do you know the awareness? Now how I can create value for you. Do you know the awareness? Because my Elon videos already starting to go crazy. But do y'all know the awareness? If we build this channel up, what did it do for Dogelon Mars and the Elon tokens? You feel me? I try to stress this to the Dogelon Warriors, right? Dogelon Warriors, we was supposed to talk about something too. I see everybody else posting them tweets. Y'all ain't holler at me and look out yet. I still love y'all though. Y'all know I still love y'all. I love everybody in the Elon community. I talk my shit, but I love everybody in the Elon community. But y'all know you know when this thing get to 10,000 subscribers, 25,000, 50,000. Y'all know the type of exposure it's gonna be. The light shining on Elon as we just build this up. You never know. You never know in crypto, man. So I look at it like this. I'm doing all right numbers now in the bear market as a small YouTuber. So when the bull run comes around, I know the numbers gonna be double, triple. All the partnerships gonna come back in, because I used to get, when the bull run was coming around, I used to get sponsorships without even being a huge crypto YouTuber. I was still getting sponsorships, good sponsorships. You feel me? I know, and it all just went down the drain when the bear market come. Like nobody want to pay for ads and pay for promotion and stuff like that. They like, nope, I need to hold on to this cash and have a little dry powder. And it's like a lot of projects halted and stopped. Don't stop, man. Don't stop just because it's a bear market. People want to see how you react to your down days. That's how your character is judged. But as long as your good outweigh your bad, you're in a good spot. So I want to see some of those companies, man, continue to build. DXY coming down. Let's see if we can get some more positive news. I couldn't get the SPY to go up. That would have been nice. It's at 413 now. Hopefully it bounced off this support, 411, and goes back up. I'm looking for it to bounce off the support of 411 and go back up. Hopefully that happens. Bitcoin and Ethereum, man. Ethereum, cross that 1,700 for your boy. Bitcoin, get the 25K. Let's do it. Send it, send it, send it. Send it. Oh, appreciate that, Ron. I produce designer high-end ball pythons, crazy colors and patterns. They are show animals. Haha, definitely not for eating. My bad, bro. I know people overseas, they be eating them snakes and stuff. I didn't know what you was doing over there, but that's good to know. But that's dope, bro. How do you do that? How do you know what color the snake gonna come out? How do you bred a snake, two snakes, to make it the color you want it to? That's neat. That's neat. That's neat. I never heard of that, bro. That's what's up. That's what's up. I like to hear stuff like that, man. I like to see entrepreneurs doing new things and being unique. Y'all like this if y'all want to see me start going live every day. I think I want to start doing live every day, man. You know what I'm saying? This live thing ain't too bad. I was considering like, oh man, maybe I should do live once a week. But maybe I should just do live during the morning. You feel me? And cover everything in the crypto space, including Elon. Now, it would take a lot of consistency for me to do that every morning. But hey, if you want to be great, you got to put in the work ethic. Q&A. I really don't got nothing else for you guys. Q&A. I'm opening up the Q&A. Any questions, I got answers for them. Right now, drop all your questions. Drop them. Interesting. He said, I'm from Cali, and it's all based on the games that you see. I'm looking here at my other monitor. Maybe I should make like the chat words a little bit bigger so I can actually see the comments when they come across the screen. But yeah. Yo, that's dope. Is that it gotta be a lucrative industry, man. You'd be surprised what people are interested in. I found out about YouTube. Like, it's no matter what you're doing. I guarantee you right now, R.L. Morris, if you created a YouTube channel around whatever you're doing, your brand, you would find people that's interested in that. It's so many ways to be a creator. Like, a lot of people sleep on that. Like, you know what I'm saying? I go business to business and door to door sometimes, and I turned it into a YouTube brand where, you know, I didn't know if it was a lot of people that was interested in watching somebody go door to door with a GoPro, and then I found out I got a lot of people do that. You know, feel me? But then it was just so much effort into like editing the videos and consistently put them out. So I still got door to door videos that I just haven't released because I got so wrapped up into the whole crypto thing, and I actually want to release those videos. But before I released them, I started doing more door to door videos about crypto. You know what I'm saying? So I found a way to interject the two and give out, you know what I'm saying, quality content to people. So yeah, man, you know, you should start creating some content, man. I would love to watch something like that, man. You know what I'm saying? I remember back in science class, they used to have us watching the snakes eat the rats and the mice. And, you know, for some odd reason, that was interesting. It was interesting to me. I would definitely wreck this beat right here. Like, I do music too. Like, this beat is tough. All right, man, we in the crypto space, man. How's y'all feeling this morning, man? Like and subscribe. We here. Bitcoin is rising. Ethereum is rising. We like to see that, man. We are on the rise. Will the relief rally continue? Or is this a fake out to the fake out to the fake out, back to the breakout? Breakout to the fake out to the fake out, back to the breakout. You know how crypto do. Crypto, breakout, fake out, breakout, fake out, breakout, fake out. Crypto, Elon. Yeah. I'm gonna have to check it out. RL Morris, drop your Instagram. I will definitely follow you, bro. Drop your Instagram. I will definitely follow you. Q&A. I need more likes right now. Like, go crazy if you like if you like the beat, like if you like the music, like if you like Millie, like if you like Dogelon, like if you like crypto, like if you like gold, silver, like. Alright. Well, it's 10, y'all. I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. Make sure y'all go check out the video at 3 p.m. where I'm talking about rare tokens with rare tokenomics on crypto.com. I made it real easy for everybody. Make sure y'all go show love on that video if you're interested into crypto and tokens with low total and max supply, low circulating supply. Alright. So we up out of here. Appreciate everybody. So guys TV, Millie, I'm out.